Assalamualaikum friends. Assalamualaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So into the video friends, I will share you some amazing and stylish crochet dollies ideas. So friends, let's start today video. Friends, viewers, crochet dollies. We are exploring the beautiful world of crochet dollies, small handmade piece filled with creative fantasy and love. Crochet dollies are more than decoration. They are tiny world of art made with thread and a simple hook. From many people, they brings memory of home, traditional and peaceful handmade moment. In this video, we will look at the beauty, history, use and creative ideas for crochet dollies and why they are still loved today. So sit back, relax and enjoy the claiming art of crochet. What are crochet dollies? A crochet dolly is a decorative made using fine yarn or cotton thread. It is usually round but sometimes oval, square or even shaped like flower. Dollies are known for their delicate patterns. They often include lace designs, small holes and repeating shapes that give an elegant look. Long ago, people used dolly to protect objects from dust and heat. They were placed on table, chair. Today, dollies are used mostly for decoration. They add form and handmade charm to any space. Each dolly tells a story because it is made slowly, stitch by stitch, by sometimes and weavers. Friends, one special thing about crochet dollies is that no two pieces feel extra the same. Even when follow the same patterns, every crochet add their own style. The tension of the thread, the choice of colors, and the care in each stitch make every dollies unique. Weavers and the crochet also bring calmness. The repeat motion of the hook help the mind to relax. Crochet also brings cleanliness. Many people say crochet feel. Many people say crochet feel like medicines, making your dollies take fantasy, but she research in worth it. Watching a simple circle growing to our details, lace designs feel magical. It reminds us that beautiful things take time. Proper dolly design ideas, weavers and their friends. So Allah Hafiz, thanks for watching my channel, and viewers, thanks for watching my videos. Khuda Hafiz, see you next tomorrow. So friends, Allah Hafiz.